Hey everybody, it's Damien from RSU1 Tech TV, and today I want to show you a tip for staying organized in Google Drive, and that is using the stars function. Now, the stars are really nice if you have a file or folder that you're going to keep going back to in the future. So, as you can see, you've got the starred section here in the left column. Here are some files that I've already marked as starred. So these are things that I might be going back to pretty regularly. If I go back to my drive and I select an item, I can actually add a star right from here. You click the file and then click the three-dot menu in the top toolbar and choose Add Star. You'll see that it tells you a star has been added. You can always undo the action by clicking Undo. You'll also see that a star is now next to that item. If I go to the starred section, you'll see that that item I just marked is in the starred section. But what if you're no longer using an item or you just want to remove it from starred? Because if this gets too full, it gets hard to find stuff in. All you have to do is select the item and choose Remove Star. This file will still exist in the location that it was, but it will no longer be in the starred section. I hope this keeps you organized in Google Drive, and I'm Damien Austin with RSU1 Tech TV, and I thank you for watching.